welcome back to yet another video in this photography series. Today we are headed over to Newtown, Pennsylvania to see if we can get some interesting photographs today. It's been a while since I shot another one of these videos. I've been looking forward to it. I'm sorry if my voice is coming off a little bit raspy or maybe not totally clear, but I'm literally just coming off of being sick this week. It's been, what's Thursday now, so it's like the fourth day. It's kind of on its way out. But I still have a sore throat and some like body aches and stuff. Pretty sure it was like the flu or the cold or whatever. Nothing too serious, but anyways, I it's like I barely even got to take a break from doing this, and I'm just right back out shooting more photos. But I'm excited to get back to it. I was actually in Newtown probably a couple weeks ago to shoot this video, but I ended up messing up my my action camera settings, and the video was completely unusable. Today we're gonna have some fun. It's a beautiful day. It's 79 degrees. I'm actually wearing shorts for the first time this year at home. It's beautiful out, sunny out. We're gonna take a walk around the town, and then after that, meet up with my girlfriend for some coffee, and then yeah, should be a great day. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, so we're in Newtown right now. It's a little small little town. A lot of old looking buildings and homes here. I'm gonna see if we can find something interesting. We can find some interesting photos here today. Today I'm using the Sony A7IV with the 40mm f2.5 lens with a Tiffin black Pro Mist filter on, just to soften up a little bit of the highlights. Dial in my settings, 2.5 ISO 200. Do a little, sure my settings are okay. I don't know, let's see. Yeah, we'll see if we can get something interesting today. It's a pretty cool area over here. And basically we're gonna head all the way down this street, and then we're gonna basically loop back around down some of the side streets and kind of just make our way back, just do like one big loop. Just kind of scoping out the area, see if there's anything interesting around here. Architecture shot, I don't know. A little quick shot. A little quick one. So we're gonna head all the way down here and then do a wrap around. We'll go down the side street and then see if there's any interesting buildings back there or anything. Yeah, I'm pretty local to this town. I've spent plenty of time. I actually went to high school in this town, so I'm pretty familiar with it. I actually like that gray house with that orange door. And I'm gonna cross the street after this car, and then we'll head up this way. That is nice, but I hate shooting like people's houses because I think it's weird. I like the architecture around here too. Oh, these places are cool back here. Ooh, nice S7 over there. Yeah, it's like It's like every building here is completely different looking than the last. It's so unique, so interesting. Let's see. I don't even know what half these places are. It's like a nice bike here. Nice Harley. Let's see if I can get a... Oh, I kind of like this with the... I think I kind of do. I don't know. The way the brick contrasts with the green foliage out here and contrasts with the sky looks pretty cool. Let's see this. I want to see. Might make a right up here and then come back down the street. All right. Let's see if. May have some good ones. Let me get a shot of this. Yeah, the houses are beautiful over here. It's a nice looking house. It's like it's pretty cool because like all the brick is like fading off of it. It looks old, but like that brown door contrasts with it. It's interesting. I love, oh wow, that is beautiful. That is so nice. Let me get a, oh, so nice around here. Yeah, I need to come here more often. I'm definitely going to bring the Fujifilm with me. I think a nice Portra 400 film recipe would look really nice, especially during this time of the day. That's nice. Oh, even this here. All right, so we're gonna head all the way down here back to the main street, get out of the residential area, and then hopefully by the time I get down there, I'll be ready to kind of wrap this up and stop at Starbucks. A little coffee date with my girlfriend. We were gonna go to dinner today, but I can't taste anything because I'm just coming off being sick, so. Unfortunately, we can't do that. Yeah, I think if I come back here with the Fujifilm, with a nice like Portra 160 or a Portra 400 film recipe, custom setting, I think we would come away with some really interesting shots. Yeah, I think a Portra 400 would do would look so nice. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of like interesting like places around here, but nothing that's really, just trying to figure out the angles, and I kind of wish I had something that was a little bit wider. That's why I picked the 40 millimeter, because it's wide enough for most things, but I would rather come and shoot with like a wide, like a 24 millimeter prime lens, but I don't have one. Go down this way. Hey, even if I don't really leave with a whole lot of great stuff, it's nice to actually get out for a walk. Because I've been stuck in the house for the last 3 days just trying to recover. So, and this nice, getting the sun in. It feels good. I can get. We're gonna take a walk back to Starbucks, and I'm probably gonna wrap this one up. It's a little bit early. I think that there's a lot more I can go find, but I'm really only working with the time constraints that I'm dealing with right now. But I think it'll be perfect for when I come get the Fujifilm and kind of had an opportunity to scope out this area and see things I like, because I definitely want to bring the Fujifilm with me and really put it through its paces through here. But I think we will definitely walk away with some interesting stuff here. So this is going to be a little bit of a shorter one. So this will be my third video, assuming this comes out okay. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm really enjoying this. I'm really enjoying this series. It's actually nice to like take a break from just shooting cars all the time. Honestly, I went to the Cars and Coffee on Sunday, and I'm walking around and I'm taking photos of cars. I'm like, I don't know, it just feels like it bores me anymore. You know, I just didn't really enjoy it as much as I normally would have. But this is refreshing. We have 2 more blocks to do, but yeah, like I said, I'm enjoying this a lot. It's a nice breath of fresh air. I'm really enjoying just shooting everyday life, and it's one of the reasons why I'm getting the Fujifilm as my own personal camera, and I'm just so excited. Feels good to just do something different. It's just so nice to walk away with something really interesting that you've taken. It's something completely different than what you normally make. I like the colors in this. Let's see. Use that frame to frame my shot. So that will wrap up this video. A shorter one than I expected, but I got some things to do. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.